Mini, Super Mini 4-direction 2.4 GHz minicopter made its way. Dazzling black skin, carving body, the signature of future technology. Flexible operation makes it a never-miss copter. 4 directions 360 degrees rollover. All sorts of somersaults, forward, backward and left and right somersaults. Only 40 centimeters diameter to roll. Remote liquid crystal display makes control straighter. Special function key to flip helps you enjoy source of flip movement. The built-in 6-axis gyro makes flight more stable and easier to control. In addition, you freely switch it to fast and slow mode. Sharing all kinds of barriers in a small room is not easy. Here you need to switch it slow mode, as it's conscious flights. Now take the remote and start your breathtaking performance.